The best-selling car buffer isn't always the best one for your car. Most people grab whatever's popular, but that can mean overpaying for features you don't need, or worse, damaging your paint. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, GV Life 1600 watt rotary polisher. First up is the GV Life 1600 watt buffer polisher, a solid mid-range option at $66.88 that's been bought over 2,000 times in the past month. What caught my eye was the full kit: sponge pads, wool pads, sandpaper, even a storage bag. If you want a complete setup that handles everything from light waxing to deep scratch removal without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1600 watt motor gives real power for tackling oxidation and swirls, but it also has a built-in constant power control board that prevents overheating during long sessions. That means you can work on an entire car hood without the tool shutting down. The 7-speed range from 1,000 to 3,500 RPM lets you go gentle on clear coats or aggressive on stubborn stains. And with both D-handle and side handle options, it fits different grips comfortably. Great if you're detailing for more than 20 minutes. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy, especially around the handle joints. Here's the thing though, this isn't a pro detailer's daily driver. It's built for weekend warriors. As long as you're not dropping it or using excessive pressure, it holds up fine. The real weak point? No real user reviews yet, so long-term durability is still unknown. This is perfect for you if you're new to detailing and want an all-in-one kit that won't cost a fortune. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty commercial use or already own high-end pads and just want the machine. For under $70, you're getting surprising value. Product number 2, LDHTOPI 1600 watt blue polisher. Now, if GV Life's lack of user feedback made you nervous, the LDHTOPI at $63.09 offers nearly identical specs, but with a slightly more refined design. Over 1,000 sold last month, and what stands out is the thoughtful pad variety. 7 types, including color-coded options for different tasks. If you want precision control over your polish level without guessing which pad to use, this one speaks your language. Here's why this matters. The 1600 watt motor delivers consistent torque, and the 7-speed dial, 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, gives you fine-tuned control. The 3 handle positions, top, D-handle, and side, mean you can adjust grip based on the panel you're working on, reducing wrist strain. Plus, the included wool and orange pads are excellent for cutting through oxidation, while the softer yellow and red ones bring out deep gloss. It even warns you not to press too hard or run it over 15 minutes straight. Small details that show they actually tested this with real users. The downside? The manual is pretty basic, and some buyers said the included sandpaper wears down fast on rough surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly polishing paint, not sanding fiberglass or metal, those pads last plenty long. Also, like the GV Life, there are 0 reviews, which is odd given the sales volume. This is perfect for you if you want color-coded pads and flexible handling for varied car surfaces. Skip this one if you need cordless freedom or plan to use it on rough materials like concrete or oxidized boat hulls. At this price, it's a smart pick for detailers who like organization. Product number 3, AOBen Dual Action Polisher. Alright, that was a solid rotary option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners. The AOBen Dual Action Polisher at $53.61. Unlike rotary buffers that can burn paint if you're careless, this random orbital design is much safer, making it ideal if you're nervous about ruining your car's finish. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual action motion spins and oscillates at the same time, which spreads heat and reduces the risk of swirls or burns. With 6 speeds from 1,000 to 4,500 RPM, you get enough power to remove light defects, but with built-in forgiveness. The 700 watt motor is weaker than the others, but that's actually a plus for first-timers. It's less likely to strip wax or chew through clear coat. It comes with 4 pads, including a synthetic wool disc for wax removal, and the ergonomic handles reduce fatigue. Now, the big flaw, it stops under pressure on lower speeds. Some users said it shuts off when you push too hard. Here's the thing though, that's a safety feature, not a bug.
It forces you to let the machine do the work, which protects your paint. Just restart and bump up the speed if needed. Also, the plastic shell feels cheaper, and the cord is shorter than average. This is perfect for you if you're new to polishing or drive a daily driver with delicate paint. Skip this one if you need to remove deep scratches or work on boats and RVs regularly. For under $55, it's the safest entry point.
Product number 4. Verve Wave Cordless Polisher, DeWalt compatible. Now, if being tied to an outlet frustrated you with the last few models, this cordless Verve Wave polisher at $94.64 changes the game. But only if you already own DeWalt 20V batteries. It's tool only, so no battery included, but that's also its strength. No duplicate chargers, no extra cost if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem. Here's why this matters. The brushless motor runs quieter, lasts longer, and delivers up to 5,500 RPM, more than any corded model here. That means faster correction on tough spots. The 6-speed control is smooth, and the extended grip with lock switch prevents accidental startups, a huge safety win. Plus, no cord means you can move around the car freely, especially helpful in tight garages or outdoor setups. The downside? 0 user reviews and limited compatibility. If you don't have DeWalt batteries, this isn't for you. Also, at nearly $95 without power, it's the most expensive option here. Some might also miss the raw power of a plugged-in motor for heavy correction. This is perfect for you if you already use DeWalt tools and want mobility without sacrificing performance. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't own compatible batteries. It's a premium pick for serious hobbyists. Product number 5. Zota 1600 watt with ultra long cord. Finally, if you hated fighting with short cords during detailing, the Zota buffer at $58.04 solves that with a massive 13.1-foot power cable, more than double most competitors. Over 200 sold recently, and it packs a pure copper motor for better heat resistance and longevity. Here's why this matters. The 1600-watt motor handles tough jobs, and the 7-speed range, 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, gives full control. But the real win is the extended cord. No more extension cables or repositioning the outlet. The 3-handle design reduces fatigue, and the included sandpaper, wool, and sponge pads cover all bases. The M14 thread fits most aftermarket discs, too. The flaw? The green color and branding feel a bit generic, and some users noted the storage bag is thin. More importantly, like others, it has no reviews yet, so long-term reliability is unproven. This is perfect for you if you detail in large spaces or hate cord management. Skip this one if you need cordless or ultra-lightweight tools. For under $60, it's a no-brainer for convenience-focused users.
So, which one should you pick? The GV Life and LDHT Opie are great all-around kits under $70. The Aobin is safest for beginners. The Verve Wave wins for mobility if you're already in DeWalt's world. And the Zota? Best if you're tired of short cords. No single buffer is perfect, but one of these fits your garage. Let me know which you're grabbing in the comments.